How to invite friends in zombie waves. So let's say you want to go ahead and play with each other, then you can join the same team in the guild and whatnot. But if you want to invite them, you should be able to do it over here to the top right corner. There is the invite for gifts option or the friend section over here. So if you want, you can go ahead and do this option first in the top right, then go ahead and invite for gifts. So you can go ahead and press on link and invitation code. You press it over here. Let's say you were the friend that got the invitation code. You go ahead and place it over here and press on link. So here's your invitation code. You go ahead and copy this and then you send it to a friend that pretty much just started the game or has downloaded the game. Now, if you want to go ahead and add them, technically you go ahead here in the friend section right beside the mail. On friend, you will have the recommended friend section. What you're going to do is to just enter the player name or ID of your friend, go ahead and press and search, and if they accept you as a friend, then it will go ahead over here. And if you were part of a guild, you can invite them there as well. But that's one way you can technically invite friends in Zombie Waves. You just send them a manual invitation to whatever messaging app you have, or just tell them. But hopefully this video helps. If it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.